2020, what a year! As this year draws to a close, let us take a moment to reflect on the lessons learned and resolve to move into 2021 with courage, hope, and confidence. This year, I got the opportunity to revisit my art and paint much more than usual. I also started sharing my work with all of you, and for that, I'm truly grateful. Today, I want to share some of my artworks created in 2020. Hope you like them as much as I loved creating them. A very big thank you to all of you who chose to follow me here and be a part of this journey. Let's create great things together in 2021. Please do subscribe and be a part of this community if you are not already. I'll see you soon with more great art and creative content. Happy New Year! Take care everyone. See you again soon. Bye.